The three functions for data extraction, one is extract, one is extract to, and the third one is use series. Data extraction. Right, so for example, to extract the n underscore pages column, we'll use the square brackets, right, and then we are specifying the name of the column within the single quotes, right. So you can do the same using the extract function here. Extract from the ecom underscore mini data set the n underscore pages column. Right now, if you want to specify the position of the column instead of the name, then this is how we would do it, right. Ecom underscore mini and return the second column, right. You can do the same with extract as well, right. You extract the second column from ecom underscore mini. Now, if you want the column to be returned as a vector, then you will use the dollar symbol, right. Here you can use underscore series, right. So now if you look at this part of the code, ecom underscore mini dollar n underscore pages, right. So now n underscore pages column is returned as a vector. If you want to do that using magrittr, you can use underscore mini and then the name of the column.